What if the cloud wasn't just a place to store files, but a digital extension of your brain? A second mind that remembers everything you see, write, hear, and save. One that quietly connects ideas, syncs your thoughts, and helps you think faster, recall more, and act smarter. That's the quiet superpower Apple has been building with iCloud, and in this deep dive, we're unlocking how you can turn it into your personal thought engine. Welcome to Tech Wave 65, and today we're exploring how iCloud, when used with the right tools, habits, and AI integrations, can actually boost your brainpower, transforming your phone, iPad, and Mac into a cognitive system that enhances your memory, focus, creativity, and productivity like never before. We begin with how iCloud isn't just storage, it's a sync engine that touches your most intimate digital habits. Your notes, reminders, calendar, Safari tabs, keychain passwords, photos, mail, iMessage history, and more. But the magic begins when you realize that each of those data streams is a piece of your mental state. Your Notes app becomes your external brain, snapshots of thoughts, brainstorms, random to-dos, and drafts. When synced to iCloud, they're searchable, auto-saved, and accessible across all devices. Combine that with voice memos, quick thoughts captured on the go, and now you're building a searchable archive of your thinking. Add AI transcription with tools like Otter.ai, Whisper, or Nada, and every voice memo becomes text. You can now search your memory not by keyword, but by idea. Want to recall what you were thinking about for your business logo last spring? Ask your AI assistant to find any notes or voice memos tagged, logo, or containing related semantic content, and boom, you've retrieved a memory from months ago. Then there's Photos plus AI tagging. Your brain processes images faster than words, and Apple knows this. iCloud Photos already groups people, places, and scenes. But pair it with apps like Rewind, Mem, or Notion AI, and now your screenshots, whiteboards, diagrams, even visual ideas are connected to tasks, reminders, and notes. You're literally building a visual memory palace. Next, add Safari iCloud tabs plus reading list. You're not just browsing anymore, you're curating thought trails. Every article saved becomes part of your extended knowledge base. Use Matter, Readwise, or Notion Web Clipper to sync those into an AI-summarized, taggable idea library. Now, even casual curiosity becomes a future reference point. Ever wish you could remember that blog post you saw on productivity hacks 2 weeks ago but didn't finish? Your cloud brain does. Let's level up further with reminders plus calendar plus focus modes. These aren't just scheduling tools. With smart automation and AI tagging, your reminders become context-aware nudges. You can say, "Remind me to review my business notes when I'm at the coffee shop," and it uses location data. With AI, it can even suggest, "You were working on a script draft last time you were here. Want to pick that up?" That's your iCloud memory helping you think in time and place. On iPad or Mac, Spotlight Search combined with AI plugins lets you search across iCloud files using full semantic logic. Find that spreadsheet with client growth stats, even if it's buried deep in a numbers file labeled May Metrics 2023. Combine this with universal clipboard and handoff, and you're literally transferring thoughts between devices. Draft on iPhone, edit on iPad, polish on Mac, all in one mental thread. Now add AI overlays. Use ChatGPT, Claude, or Notion AI as your thought partner across your iCloud sync data. Feed them your journal entries, audio transcriptions, calendar history, and tagged documents. Ask, "What themes have I been thinking about most in the past 3 months?" Or, "Can you generate a summary of my top creative ideas this year?" Your AI scans your iCloud ecosystem and gives you an insight map of your own cognition. Now your cloud isn't just storing, it's thinking with you. But let's go deeper. Add smart tagging systems. Every time you save a file, voice memo, note, or calendar event, tag it with context, #idea, #reference, #draft, #review, #personal, #urgent. I can learn these patterns and begin tagging automatically. With tools like Hookmark, Tag Spaces, or DevOnThink, you build a network of linked thoughts, turning scattered data into connected knowledge graphs. Want to see all files, notes, and memos related to your 2025 project? Pull the tag. You'll instantly recall everything from early brainstorms to final deliverables. You're literally using iCloud to simulate how your memory clusters ideas. Now introduce automation. Use Apple's shortcuts to trigger workflows like, when I record a voice memo, transcribe it, tag it with hashtag voice note and current calendar event, and save it to Notes and Drive. Or, when I save a screenshot, move it to a project folder, label it, and log the time. These automated habits build mental consistency, removing friction and increasing memory retention by offloading busy work. Over time, iCloud becomes your habitual assistant, not just storage. The next level? Rewind.ai or similar memory tools running passively. They record your screen, audio, and behavior, with consent, and build a timeline of your day that's searchable. Need to recall what that one graphic looked like that you saw on YouTube at 2 p.m. last Thursday? It's there. Your memory no longer depends on attention, it's backed up by AI. Add searchable history logs, semantic recall interfaces, and time-based triggers, and now you're creating a timeline of your brain. One that learns with you, evolves with your needs, and makes your thinking process visible. So what went wrong? Well, the biggest risk is over-reliance. If you let the cloud think for you too much, your real brain can get lazy. You still need to reflect, prioritize, and decide what matters. And there's the privacy layer. Do you trust AI agents with access to your entire mental ecosystem? You must secure your data, enable 2FA, encrypt your backups, and consider zero-knowledge systems like Proton Drive or Cryptomator for your most sensitive memory vaults. But when used wisely, iCloud becomes more than storage, it becomes cognition. It supports your memory, enriches your creative thinking, reminds you at the right time, connects the right thoughts, and saves the right moments. It's not just your phone remembering where you parked, it's your mind in the cloud, learning, syncing, growing with you. And in an age of digital overwhelm, that's not just convenient, it's powerful. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.